I'll show you exactly how to move money from Apple Cash to your bank account or debit card. Whether you need it in seconds or you'd rather save on fees, I've got you covered with the updated 2026 limits and rules. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Before you tap a single button, there is one golden rule. Ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS and that the name on your Apple account matches your bank records. Discrepancies here are the #1 reason transfers get flagged for security reviews. To start, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap your Apple Cash Card. Tap the 3 dots more button in the top right and select Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to move. Keep in mind, the minimum is $1. But if your total balance is less than $1, you can still transfer the full remaining amount. Tap Next. Now you have 2 very different choices. First is Instant Transfer. This sends the money to an eligible Visa or MasterCard debit card, and it typically arrives in minutes, though it can take up to 30 minutes. This method carries a 1.5% fee. The minimum fee is 25 cents and the maximum is capped at $15, which means if you're transferring a large amount like $5,000, you'll only pay $15 instead of a massive percentage. The second is Standard Transfer. This uses a linked bank account via ACH and is completely free. It takes 1 to 3 business days. If you initiate this after 7 p.m. EST or on a weekend, the clock doesn't start until the next business day. Once you select your speed, tap Transfer. If you haven't linked a card or account yet, the app will prompt you to enter your debit card info for Instant or your bank's routing and account numbers for Standard. Review the details one last time, especially the fee if you chose Instant. Then double-click the side button to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You should be aware of a few hard limits. You can transfer up to $10,000 in a single transaction and up to $20,000 within any 7-day rolling period. If you're using Apple Cash Family, those limits are much lower, usually $2,000 per transfer and $4,000 per week. Not all small banks support real-time credits. If your card says not eligible, you'll have to use the free 1 to 3 day bank option instead. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.